Now remember, what was meant to be a historic Lionel Messi moment in India has ended in chaos, with fans inside the stadium and rushing to the grounds furious, alleging massive mismanagement. Now Messi has already left the venue after disorder broke out in the stands. He's now headed for Hyderabad, is what we're learning, and several fans in fact say they couldn't get a proper glimpse of the football icon. Now anger spilled over as barricades were breached and bottles were thrown on the ground. The security had quickly cordoned off Messi, cutting short his planned stadium lap, and fans on the ground are calling the event an absolute disgrace. Some even terming it a scam, saying that expectations were completely shattered. My colleague Ritik, reporting from the ground in Kolkata, had spoken to several of the upset fans. Listen in.
On the very first day of Messi's tour in India, absolutely lawlessness situation inside the Yuva Bharati Stadium, which led to ruckus inside the stadium. We see that many people have, ma'am, what exactly happened?
Scam. It was a full scam for the audience, for the people coming outside of Kolkata here. We came here last 4 days before just to see and meet the Messi. We didn't even see a single clip.
How many money you have spent for this?
We gave 16,000 for 3 people, 4,500 per seat. And we took a bottle for rupees 200, bottle, a glass of cold drink for rupees 400 and a popcorn for rupees 200.
What exactly happened inside? What exactly happened inside? Who was responsible?
Full management.
He was surrounded by minister, dignitaries. What exactly happened inside? Do you believe, ma'am? Yes. It was a Bengal minister who was inside.
We all the people need our money, our time back.
We paid 25,000 for the ticket, and we are 4 friends.
Right. We came along?
We came from Ahmedabad.
Okay.
And we stayed here for 4 days. And right now, because of the politicians and the management, our experience was totally ruined.
Shotadru Dotto is a total failure. Okay. Has been disaster.
He was seen repeatedly requesting dignitaries.
He was requesting, but he should take care about the responsibility of the all people. It's not a sponsored program. It's not an only sponsored program. People have given 10,000, 12,000, 15,000 bucks for this.
My colleague Ritik joins us live from the ground. Ritik, now we've spoken to several upset fans, many of them having spent a lot of money to be there and being extremely disappointed after not being able to catch a glimpse of Messi.
Let me unfold you what exactly happened inside the Yuva Bharati Stadium. We are covering this entire event. Remember, on a chilly winter morning, the entire city of Joy was eagerly waiting for this event to happen, and they spent a lot of money. We are given to understand the minimum price of the tickets were over 3,000 rupees, and the maximum was 14,000. People came all along outside of the Kolkata. Some came from Nepal and Bhutan also. We tried to spoke to them as well. Actually, around 11:30, Messi entered the stadium, but it was absolute chaos-like situation. He was surrounded by over 200 people. Let me also mention Arup Bishwas, who is the Bengal minister, was part of this crowd. The main organizer, Shotadru Dotto, who brought Messi in India for his GOAT 2025 tour, India tour, who is the main organizer. He was there. Several dignitaries, including cops, were at the field inside this Yuva Bharati Stadium. But Messi spent only 20 minutes as situation went out of hand. Organizer, and especially we see that that led to this chaos, and then people, and soon after Messi was taken out of the stadium, the people started breaking barricades, throwing bottles. We also managed to spoke to this angry spectators inside the stadium. Let's listen in. Back to you.
First of all, beautiful city and beautiful people with the same love for the game. And we came all the way from Bhutan, traveling 1,000 kilometers just to watch Messi. And we thought there will be more to it. But because of the we were very disappointed with the organizers because it was so short. There were so many people with the same love for the idol Messi. But I think at last we didn't got what we expected.
How many? I believe I completely understand that you are coming from Bhutan, so it took a lot of money. Your airfares and hotel bookings. So how many money you have spent for this?
I think if I ballpark, I think 50,000 rupees it went per head.
Okay.
Yes.
So what exactly happened inside?
Actually, we were just thinking to have a good look over our idol Messi, but we couldn't do that. Most of the people were crowded with the idol. They were all crowded. They all crowded him. We couldn't see him. We couldn't even take pictures from far away.
Right. So we have some other fans also. I believe you came outside of Kolkata, right?
Yeah, I came from Bangalore. I'm Bengali, but that's why I came all the way from Bangalore, and there's a flight situation going. I paid 8,000 just for the flight to come here, then I'll have to go back. So a lot of money I feel like just been wasted.
Now that's what fans had to say outside the stadium. Take a look at the situation inside. My colleague Shreyashi reports.
What was meant to be a historic moment in Kolkata with the arrival of Lionel Messi for a 4-city visit here in India has turned into a messy affair here at Salt Lake Stadium. Fans have been left disgruntled, unhappy. They couldn't see their football icon when he came out on the field. And now what you see is angry fans expressing how unhappy they were with the organizers. The tents have been overturned. They are throwing, they've moved the goalposts. They have broken and vandalized the stadium property. But this has all stemmed out of anger for the organizers. When you, organize such a large-scale international event, fans who have paid 5,000 to 45,000 for a ticket, they expect to get a glimpse of their football icon. They want to see what kind of organizations has been done. Shah Rukh Khan was supposed to be here. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was supposed to be here. Saurav Ganguly arrived for the program. But all the fans that could see was a big, large group of people in the center of the stadium, completely surrounding Messi, due to which they could not see their football legend. And that anger is now, translating in this kind of vandalism that is taking place. Chairs have been broken, the goalposts have been shifted, fans have been injured. I have this fan with me who has cut his hand. क्या हुआ यहाँ पे?
सो इधर जो दिख रहा है ना, मैं उधर ही जाके खड़ा था, मैं बस वीडियो बना रहा था, तो उधर से पीछे से आके कोई एक पुलिस वाला आके ऐसे करके धक्का दिया, उधर कट था तो मैं उधर गिर गया, मेरा हाथ कट गया। तो उधर पुलिस वाला नहीं बोला था कि इधर से आओ, जाके इधर फर्स्ट एड मिल जाएगा।
पीपल काफी fans काफी disappointed है. They are angry that they haven't been able to get Messi, and that's why the tempers are running high, and therefore the fans are expressing their anger, and you can see the kind of how the contingent of police is trying to bring the situation in control. With GD Shankar, Shreyashi De for NDTV. What was supposed to be a historic moment for Kolkata with Lionel Messi's 4-city visit that begins from the city of joy has turned into a messy affair here at the Salt Lake Stadium, with fans unhappy and disgruntled because they couldn't catch a glimpse of the football legend Lionel Messi because of the kind of organization and management that took place. When Messi came on this particular field for 12 minutes, he was surrounded by dignitaries, the sports minister of West Bengal, the security, and the security apparatus was so high that the people who had bought tickets from the stands, spending anywhere between 5,000 rupees to about 50,000 rupees. Some even traveled across the country to get a glimpse of Messi. But it turned out into a complete opposite of what was supposed to be a celebration of football, because the fans were unhappy. They could not see Messi. They could not see him even touch the football. All this is public property. All these infrastructures made with public money, taxpayers' money. But what remains true now across Salt Lake Stadium is a stark reminder that when the football fans are unhappy, nothing can go unchecked. They are demanding their money be returned. But this is the kind of situation at Salt Lake Stadium. Banners have been torn out, infrastructure has been damaged, bottles thrown across, the chairs have been removed. This is the subway from where the players usually come out before a match. It's been completely shattered. So you can see the situation here at Salt Lake Stadium. The police is yet to bring the situation under control. RAF has come into the stadium now with senior police officials to ensure that no one is injured, but the kind of temper that's running here at the Salt Lake Stadium is still very high. With GD Shankar, Sreyashi De for NDTV.
Now, the inside of the stadium completely vandalized because of angry fans who were completely disappointed after not having had a glimpse of Messi. Listen in to what these fans had to say.
The very first day of a Messi's tour in India, absolutely lawlessness situation inside the Yuva Bharati Stadium, which led to ruckus inside the stadium. We see that many people have, ma'am, what exactly happened?
Scam. It was a full scam for the audience, for the people coming outside of Kolkata here. We came here last 4 days before just to see and meet the Messi. We didn't even see a single clip.
How many money you have spent for this?
We gave 16,000 for 3 people, 4,500 per seat. And we took a bottle for rupees 200, bottle, a glass of cold drink for rupees 400 and a popcorn for rupees 200.
What exactly happened inside? What exactly happened inside? Who was responsible?
Full management.
He was surrounded by minister, dignitaries. What exactly happened there? Do you believe, ma'am? Yes. It was a Bengal minister who was inside.
We all the people need our money, our time back.
We paid 25,000 for the ticket, and we are 4 friends.
Right. We came along?
We came from Ahmedabad.
Okay.
And we stayed here for 4 days. And right now, because of the politicians and the management, our experience was totally ruined.
Shatabdi Dotto is a total failure. Okay. Has been disaster.
He was seen repeatedly requesting dignitaries.
He was requesting, but he should take care about the responsibility of the all people. It's not a sponsored program. It's not an only sponsored program. People have given 10,000, 12,000, 15,000 bucks for this.
Right, with now the fans in fact asking the administration to take responsibility, politics is in motion over the event. In the latest, the BJP has slammed the Mamata Banerjee-led TMC government over the event, saying that Messi was made to leave within 15 minutes of his arrival, targeting the ruling government. The BJP has termed the event an embarrassment on the international stage. Now, the West Bengal Chief Minister has reacted to the chaos and issued an apology to Messi as well as his fans, while the TMC had slammed the BJP, saying that the party is indulging in vulture politics.
Unruly and messy scenes have come out from the Messi event in the Kolkata stadium, and for this only the TMC government and administration is to blame. Nobody else is to blame. The fact is that this is causing global embarrassment to us all, because Messi is a global sporting icon. So adequate arrangements, adequate security is necessary, but all of that was missing. And to then make it worse, inept leaders of TMC, wanting favors for themselves and their family, were surrounding Messi, denying fans their rightful opportunity. And then fans were forced to take certain steps.
देखिए, इतना बड़ा एक इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर भारत के अलग अलग हिस्से में जा रहे हैं, कहीं पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। पश्चिम बंगाल में आज जो घटना घटी वो दर्शाता है कि पश्चिम बंगाल में तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने कैसे पश्चिम बंगाल को बना दिया है, क्योंकि पूरा जो प्रोग्राम है इसमें शुरू से लेकर अंत तक पश्चिम बंगाल में जो प्रोग्राम हो रहा है वो पूरा तृणमूल ने हाईजैक किया है। तृणमूल के सुजीत बोस से लेकर अरूप विश्वास से लेकर सारे मंत्री इसमें लगे हुए हैं। वैसे कि इसमें लूट हुई है, 5,000 8,000 रुपये की टिकट भी बेची गई, उसमें टिकट की भी कालाबाजारी हुआ, इसमें करप्शन हुआ।
शेमफुल अनकल्चर्ड बिहेवियर जो ये किया, उसका नतीजा जो फुटबॉल फैंस को जो इमोशन था उसका आउटबर्स्ट हो गया। इसीलिए वो पानी का बोतल से शुरू होकर कुछ अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हो गया। ये जो सेंटिमेंट है फुटबॉल फैंस का, मैं एज वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ मोहनबागान क्लब उसको सपोर्ट करता हूं। ये सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम जो है वो डैमेज हो रहा है और इसके बारे में अभी भालचर पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ भालचर कुछ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ये शुरू कर दिया है।
My colleague Shreyashi with us from the ground. Shreyashi, take us to the situation on ground. You in fact showed us earlier as well how the inside of the stadium has been destroyed with fans having vandalized several of the area inside.
Well, that's right. A little past 11 is when Messi took the center field here at the Salt Lake Stadium. Now, this is a FIFA-accredited stadium, so it's a large stadium, and there was a lot of spectators, a lot of fans who had lined up since morning. But as Messi took center field, he was surrounded by dignitaries, officials, security, his management, also the organizers for this event. It's a 4-city tour that is being organized, starting from Kolkata today, and then later Hyderabad, Mumbai and New Delhi. But what happened was the fans could not get a glimpse of the football icon for whom they had lined up since morning, spent money to come all the way here. A lot of people had travelled from across the country to get a glimpse of Messi. And this is not the first time that Messi had come to Kolkata. This is his second visit, in fact. And we've had other global football icons here in the city. Maradona, Pele, all have come and visited Kolkata and graced the Salt Lake Stadium, but such a situation has never unfolded. There were very small, projectors, the screens where fans were only able to see Messi through. And right after that, the anger just rose to a point where even the police could not control it. There was tight security inside and outside the field, but the barricades were broken and they all just entered the field and they went on a complete rampage. The seats were torn off and thrown at the ground. The net was damaged, the goalpost was moved, the subway from where the players come out was broken and shattered, the glass was completely shattered. There was a lot of police and RAF presence, but they were overpowered by the angry fans. We also, while bringing in the live broadcast, saw some of them really losing their cool on camera, where they were absolutely dissatisfied by the organizers and how it was done. People have spent a lot of money, but few also said that it's not about the money, it's about the emotion, because these are ardent football fans who have come here. Now, Salt Lake Stadium is witness to such a rivalry between football clubs for years and years. And we have seen such incidents happen before, but only for a football match. But this was an event which was organized with, well in advance information, all the, the dignitaries who were supposed to be present. In fact, we were at the media kiosk and I couldn't see Shah Rukh Khan, I couldn't see Saurav Ganguly, I saw Messi through the screen that was there, just like the rest of the fans. We couldn't see anything from where we were placed, and I could only imagine what was going through the fans who had lined up since morning to get a glimpse of their football icon. I mean, Messi is a synonymous to football. He's the greatest footballer of all time. This is called the GOAT Tour. But of course, fans were left disappointed, and now taxpayers' money has been completely wasted because this brilliant infrastructure behind me has been completely damaged. And now that a 3-member committee has been set up for inquiry by the Chief Minister herself, this entire stadium is going to remain closed so that the investigations can take place. Senior police officials are present on field. They're, of course, gathering more details. The sports minister is present here. What we have understood also from the Chief Minister's security is that she was almost here at the venue. The event was supposed to begin at 12:30, but it all started around 11:15 when Messi was brought in by the organizers from the adjoining hotel right here next to the Salt Lake Stadium, and the events thereafter took place one after the other. He was on field for approximately 12 minutes where he, shuttled between 2 goalposts, but that's it. He was supposed to go around the stadium. Elaborate arrangements had been made. There was supposed to be a musical extravaganza. Shah Rukh Khan was supposed to be on the field, but, fans could not see anything, and what remains is a trail of destruction and a bad taste for not just the football fans here, but across the country. I mean, everyone is watching this, and all that is coming out from the Salt Lake Stadium is visuals of vandalism and disappointed fans expressing their anger against the organizers, demanding their money back, and abusing also the kind of management that was there in this. And of course, as we have been showing, the politics is playing out on the sidelines, but more importantly, right now, the situation, we'll have to wait and see whether the police goes and files any FIR against the organizers and if any action is taken now.
Shreya, stay on with us. Let's quickly listen into what the governor in Bengal had to say.
Bengal is shocked. India is aghast. The sports world is benumbed. Seeing the pell-mell that took place in Salt Lake Stadium today. The visit of the football icon Messi has been used by the organizers for self-seeking monetary benefit for them. Football has been made into a commodity for the private gains of certain people. Who is responsible for this pell-mell? Will the organizer please raise his hand? And secondly, where are the police? Yesterday, I had anticipated certain things here based on certain information which was received from the common man who called me. Then, instructions were given to government to take certain preventive steps. None of the steps seem to have been taken in this respect. Now, what is to be done? We have to call a spade a spade. Now it's a square issue squarely drawn. Order a judicial inquiry into the incident.
We'll continue tracking this story for you. For now, a short break.